Put green mango in a pressure cooker and be amazed by the result. In a pressure cooker, I've added 4 green mangoes and now I'll add water to cover them. Next, we'll seal it and cook under pressure until the mangoes are very soft. After cooking, it'll look like this. Let's transfer to a container, let the mangoes cool, then remove all the peel. After peeling, we'll now scoop out all the pulp. It'll look like this. Next, we'll transfer the pulp to a pan. Now let's add half a cup of sugar. We'll start mixing, keeping the heat at medium until it starts to thicken. This is the ideal consistency when our mango is at a jelly-like stage. If you prefer, you can let it thicken even more. It's up to your preference. Once done, we'll remove it and transfer to your preferred container. I chilled it in the fridge, then topped it with some grated coconut. Folks, the grated coconut adds a special touch, but it's optional if you don't have it. Just spread it out, then grab a piece and enjoy. If you like, add some cream on top for an extra delicious touch. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks for watching.